everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Sonia. Today we will be preparing stuffed chicken thighs. Let's get started. Place your deboned chicken thighs into a bowl. Add your chicken seasoning and mix well. The next step is to stuff your chicken thighs. Place one chicken thigh onto the cutting board. Open, add your spinach and cheese into the middle in no particular order. Fold one side of the chicken thigh onto the other. Take a strip of bacon, place it under one side of the chicken thigh. Roll until the chicken thigh is completely covered with the bacon. Whilst doing this, we want to ensure that we wrap the bacon tightly around the chicken thigh in order to secure the juices while it's being baked. First one down. Continue these steps until all of the chicken is finished. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Hit the notification bell below in order to be notified about my new uploads. Don't be afraid to leave a like or a comment. Feedbacks are welcome. Also, any new recipe ideas. Final steps. Set your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease your baking tray with olive oil. Place your chicken thighs onto the tray. Then use a brush or a spoon to apply your barbecue sauce. We will be baking these for 35 minutes or until you desire. For this dish, I chose to use steamed broccoli as my side. I brought these a few days ago on sale. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed the video today. You can catch me on my social media platforms. The links will be posted below. Stay safe. See you in the next one. Bye.